Can you withdraw Temu credit balance? So if you are interested into this topic, I'll show you step by step what you should do. First of all, you need to open your Temu app. Then you need to click U in the bottom menu. And from here, you need to go to the credit balance. And right here, if you have got available credit balance, you will see it on this page, guys. But the bad news is that you can't withdraw this money, guys. You need to spend it on orders. So you can just find any of the items placed on Temu, and you can order it using the credit balance, guys. That's the only thing you can do to use this credit balance. Or you can do another thing, guys. You can order something for your friend or for your neighbor or for your relative, guys, and ask him or her to give the cash and buy the item using this credit balance, guys. So that's the only thing you can do using this credit balance. So that's all I want to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.